The most common examples of professional degrees include medical degrees required to become a medical doctor and law degrees which are required to practice law. Professional degrees are also offered in several other fields including philology, finance, business, and engineering. The difference between a major and a degree is that a major is the focus of a course of study comprised of 36 credit hours in a specific field, while a degree is the overall course of study as dictated by the university. The difference between a major and degree is that a major is the focus of a course of study comprised of 36 credit hours in the specific field, while a degree is the overall course of study as dictated by the university. A major is simply a specific subject that students can specialize in while aspiring to a college degree. Typically, between a third and half of the course you take in college are in major or related to it. By completing a major, you demonstrate sustained high level work in one subject. ABA, a BA Bachelor of Arts or a BS Bachelor of Science degree are both 4-year university degrees that share general education requirement. In the US, these common courses are standardized and may include English and writing, mathematics, natural science, and social science and history. The word bachelor is derived from the medieval Latin bachelorus and originally referred to someone of low rank in the feudal hierarchy. Over time, the meaning was extended to denote persons of subordinate position in other systems, including those holding a primarily degree from a college or university. Email marketing is a form of marketing that can make the customers on your email list aware of new products, discounts, and other services. It can also be software sold to educate your audience on the value of your brand or keep them engaged between purchases, email, and newsletters. One of the most and common popular email marketing campaigns are email newsletters. Retention emails. If you have some experience in email marketing campaigns, consider retention emails for your small business. Promotional emails. You can send marketing emails to business contacts you don't even know. It's 100% legal as long as meet the can spam requirements. The truth is that spam emails account for 45% of all emails. In 2003, the Can Spam Act was enacted, which gives the recipient of the email the right to stop receiving emails. Buying an email list is never a good idea, but building an email list is one of the best decisions of you can make for your business. It's